Welcome to our tutorial about bringing your creative visions to life with Copilot. Today, we're going to learn how to create stunning images with ease. Let's get started. Copilot is equipped with advanced AI that can help you create images from textual descriptions. Whether you're looking for a quick sketch or a detailed illustration, Copilot is here to assist. To begin, simply provide a detailed description of the image you have in mind. The more specific you are, the better. For example, I want an image of a serene lake at sunset with mountains in the background, clear sky, yada yada. That will help. The more descriptive, the better the image is. So here's some tips to get the best of your image creation. Use vivid adjectives to convey the mood and atmosphere. Specify the elements you want in the foreground and background, and mention the style or art movement you're inspired by, like Impressionism or Surrealism. All right, let's go ahead and add a prompt in here. So I've already created one. Imagine a futuristic cityscape at dusk where the sky transitions from a warm orange to a deep indigo. Skyscrapers are adorned with neon lights and flying cars zoom past. In the foreground, there's a park with people walking, their robotic dogs, and in the distance, a giant hologram advertising floats above the tallest building. So let's go ahead and submit that and see what it does. So once you've provided that description, Copilot's going to work its magic. In a matter of moments, you'll receive a unique image that matches your description. So it's thinking right now, and it's going through and creating that image, and it's going to use DALL-E 3 behind Designer to create that image. And now it's just provided 4 images that you can select to choose. So I'm going to select this one, and now we can see it opens up. And we can see there's holograms, there's dogs walking in the park. So it did its best to recreate what I was looking for. And we can arrow to the next one and arrow back. So it gives us information about what it is, 1024 by 1024. So it's a square picture and it's a JPEG version. So if that's something you like, you can right click on it and save it. And that's all there is to it. With Copilot, you're not just limited to words. You can create visual masterpieces too. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let Copilot be your canvas.